we're going to be looking at the TINAUDIO T2s. So the build of these T2 earbuds seems really good. Get really nice metal casings, a really nice styled cable and headphone jack. And I really like that they supplied the foam ear tips with the earbuds. And like you would have seen, there's a huge range of silicone tips, so definitely a size for everyone. So these sound pretty good, they're nice and loud, but they don't have a huge amount of bass. They're definitely not suited towards someone who likes a lot of bass in their earbuds. So like I said, they do sound good, more flat sounding than some earbuds. They have pretty good highs, quite loud but not overly harsh. They have pretty good detail, but I wouldn't say they have a very wide sound stage. They're more of a closed earbud, and you definitely hear that when listening to these earbuds. They definitely have more of a flat, neutral sound signature, so if you like that, you'll probably really like these earbuds. Personally, I like more of a V-shaped sound signature. Previously, I've reviewed a lot of KZs. I like the ZS3, ES4, ZS10. These all have more of a V-shaped sound signature, more of a colourful sound to listen to, a little bit more warm, more bassy, and I definitely recommend those three if you're looking for a budget earbud. But if you do like more of a neutral sound signature, definitely have a look at these T2s. These were sent to me, so I'll add some links down below where you can check them out. If you have any other questions, make sure you comment down below. I always get back to everyone. Hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.